Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to short in TradingView using paper trading feature in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal page in the description. You will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So you can select any of these options here and you can just simply explore these if you are interested. So when you come on tradingview.com, when you log in into your account, simply click on the option of products. This is going to open a default chart in front of you. So if this is your chart, you can just simply select it, or you can also click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can also select your chart. Now, whichever chart you are on, you need to click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom. Now, first of all, connect your paper trading if it is not connected already. Now, once the paper trading is enabled, in order to place a short position, first of all, you need to use this long short tool. It is not necessary, but it will be very helpful for you to determine your stop loss and your take profit. So here from this position, let's say you want to short, so you can just simply click on the select the short position and click on the position over here, just like so. After that, in order to sell from this position, all you need to do is you need to simply press this sell button. So once you click on the sell button, your sell position will be executed as per the market order. Now, as you can see, this line available here, it is going to show you that you have successfully placed your sell order here in your paper trading. Now make sure that you use the stop loss, so you can just drag and drop it here, something like this. For TP, you can drag and drop it, something like this. Now, if you want to cancel the position, simply click on this cross icon and your position in paper trading or in your demo account will be removed. Now, if you don't want to do it on the market order and you want to place the order on the basically limit order on the or the pending order, what you need to do is you need to simply just right click on the chart first, then come here in the settings of your account. Over here, come in the trading. You need to look for the option that says one click trading. If this option is enabled, you just have to first of all disable it, then hit OK. Now when you click on this sell icon instead of the market order, it is going to ask whether you want to place this particular trade on the market order or on the limit order. So if you want to place this trade on the pending order, simply select the limit order, enter your price, enter your unit, enter the take profit and the stop loss, and click on the option of sell. So this way you will be able to execute the sell position here in your paper trading on TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.